Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Now the stuff we have here today. We've got some artichoke hearts and some black olives. Some chopped tomatoes, seasonings, olive oil, fresh chopped onions, fresh chopped garlic. Hey, Mike Foster here. Today I'm making a killer tomato sauce with artichoke hearts and black olives. I'm going to serve it over macaroni with some shredded Parm cheese. It's simple to make. I'm going to show you how to make it right now, but it's delicious and very healthy for you. Check it out. Meet you at the stove. All right, we have a medium pan, olive oil. This is about 2 tablespoons. So the garlic, that's 5 chopped cloves. This is 1 white onion. Put that in. I'm going to cook these down until they're probably half firm and half soft. Remember, this is on medium. This should take about 5 minutes. This has been about 5 minutes. Now we're going to put those artichoke hearts in there. Now I'm going to put these black olives. I'm going to put them in whole. So I like them whole, she said. All right, let's mix that about. All right, let's let this come back a little warmer, a little hotter. Then I'll add the tomatoes. I'm going to add the tomatoes. This is 14.5 ounces of petite diced tomatoes from Muir Glen Organic, which is a great organic brand. Let's bring this up to a boil. These tomatoes are delicious and sweet, so we're going to add a few more. Let's see how many we need to put in here. We're going to put 2 cans in. We want to bring this up to a boil. While that's happening, we're going to mix it in. Oh, that looks gorgeous. All this extra liquid will burn off to the point that we need it to. We're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 cracks of salt. Let's put a lot of pepper in here. That is fresh black cracked pepper. I'm going to put some oregano in this. Seems like a lot, but that's perfect. Put some basil. Now we've already added garlic, but a little garlic powder takes it to the next killer level. There you go. And then again, we've already added onions, but I like to add a little onion powder just to get it where it needs to be. All right, that's it. Right, looks like it wants to come to a little boil. Once this comes to a boil, we'll simmer this. And we're going to simmer this for at least a half an hour. Then we'll get it together with that pasta. That's how simple that is. Loaded with health. Like, you could eat this just like this. We're going to put it on some macaroni pasta. You can put it on any kind of pasta. You can serve it just like this. It's designed to be able to eat just like this. It's a hearty meal in itself. You can dip bread in it, serve it over bread. You could even serve it over rice if that's something that you want to do. Be sacrilegious, but okay, let's bring it to a boil and then we'll simmer this. That baby's boiling. Let it boil for like a minute or so, just to get its pulse going. Now I'm going to reduce the heat so that it's a nice simmer. It's reducing really nice. Now we're going to add just a little of the grated Parm in here, and then we'll finish off with the shaved Parm. Yeah, keep this nice and low. Oh, that's beautiful. Because this thing is chunky. Ooh, like a monkey. I got the pasta water boiling, and that'll be ready in a few minutes, and we'll put this baby together. There it is. It's got some shaved Parm on top. That's that artichoke black olive marinara sauce served over some macaronis. This is going to be killer diller. I can't wait for a big bite. There's another close-up. Oh, this plate's hot. Let's dig in. Here's the first bite. Ooh, it's hot. Oh, that's hot. That artichoke heart is delicious. The tomato brings it out. The seasonings I put in there, you can taste the cheese. You can taste those tomatoes. I think it tastes delicious with these noodles. Look at these noodles. There's a big black olive. That's what she said. Killer diller. Nice change up for you from those sandwiches and fried eggs. Guess what? You can eat this. It's vegetarian. Keep the cheese out. It's vegan. Add some ground beef. And it's fine that way too. But this is the way I like it. Oh man, look how hot that is. Killer diller. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel. Keep living life 365. Subscribe, tell people about it. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
We'll cut this part. That's what she said. There was a little excess liquid in there, so it's making that noise. That's okay. And season this bad boy. It's really a simple recipe. That's what she said. Awesome. Like a wild monkey. Man, it's so hot. You gotta chew it, Mike. You gotta chew it, Mike. Sweet Babu. Too hot. My wife is waiting in the wings. I'm gonna say goodbye. You wanna say goodbye, honey? You wanna say goodbye? Wanna come into it? Well, we're saying goodbye. Where are you? Just come stand right there. There she is. Wave. Goodbye, funny man.